Hi, my name is Sharon. Thank you for watching this video
And you're welcome to my channel.
I'm going to make a very high protein banana smoothie that is perfect and ideal for breakfast or pre-workout, kids, or as a healthy snack for the whole family. So join me as I teach you how to make this nutritious banana high protein smoothie. Here's what I'm using today: raisins, strawberries, some bananas, Cerelac. I have some peanut butter paste as well, which you can skip if you're allergic to nuts. I'm using date as well, some honey, vanilla essence, and roasted granules, as well as granola and almond milk. Of course, you can use any milk you like.
Now I begin by cutting the bananas into pieces. I'm gonna use about 3 to 4 bananas to make this smoothie. Make sure you cut them into the sizes that you want. I'm cutting them into the smaller sizes in order for me to easily blend these bananas. And you want your bananas ripe for sweetness, not overripe. Otherwise, the flavor can be too strong. So make sure the bananas are not soft or spotty, because we want the best taste and texture for this smoothie. Now it's time to wash our strawberries and then cut them into pieces. Remove the leaves from the strawberries first, then cut the strawberries in half or into any desired pieces. Yeah, that one seemed hard to pull. I ended up pulling it out. I then proceed to cut the strawberries into smaller pieces as I desire. Whilst cutting the strawberries, as you can notice, the upper side of the strawberry, which is the core or the hull of the strawberry, I will be taking that part out. So take a notice of it and make sure you remove it. But if you want to, you can blend it when you're done cutting the strawberries. But I like to take it out, and I'll take it out from the strawberries. While cutting the strawberries, I noticed some were softer than others. I'm going to blend the softer ones into the smoothie, and I'll keep the firmer ones to cut into pieces as I'm already doing. These pieces I'll add to the finished smoothie, and these pieces would add some form of nice texture and make a very great garnish. So do not forget to keep aside some pieces of the strawberry for garnishing when you're done. Because I'm using part of the strawberries for the smoothie and the other part for garnishing, I'm adding a few extra strawberries. So feel free to do so when you think that what you have is not enough. Now I'm done cutting all the strawberries, and this is what I'll be using. I'm going to split them into 2 parts, just as you can see what I'm doing here. So we have the 2 types of strawberries, which is the very soft part, and then the ones that are firmer. So the firmer ones are on the left hand side and the very soft one on the top. Now it's time to wash the dates, and I'm using Haifa dates. I'm taking about 6 dates, and I'll be washing these very well and remove the seeds. I always like to check carefully for any tiny insects that can sometimes build up inside the dates. When you open it up, just as I'm doing, you would see if there's insects in it or not. So I really do advise to thoroughly check this when you're washing your dates. Even if they've been stored in a cool place or the fridge, make sure you always remove the little core tool at the top and double check each date just to be safe. After doing this, I take the seeds out and then get them ready. Dates are high in natural sugars like glucose, fructose,
and sucrose, making them a very great energy booster, perfect for any quick snack or any pre-workout fuel. It is also high in fiber, and they really do help improve digestions and even prevent constipation. And the one benefit also is that they do help support healthy gut. It is packed with nutrients and supports heart health. It also promotes brain health and is great for bone strength as it contains calcium and magnesium as well as phosphorus. If you are concerned about using dates in your smoothies because of your blood pressure, do not be worried, as date contains potassium and magnesium, which actually does help to regulate blood pressure. It also contains vitamin B6. Now moving on, I have all my ingredients ready. That is my bananas, dates and strawberries, and I'm going to put this into the blender as I'm doing and then blend everything together. I'm going to add a little honey for extra sweetness. This is optional, you can choose not to do this, but I'm using a light, mild honey that contains natural sugars. Use a 5 ml spoon for measuring your Cerelac, and I'll be adding 3 5 ml scoops, just a spoonful. I really love this cereal as it's perfect for kids and it's very, very nutritious as well. I'm adding the wheat flavored Cerelac. I love this flavor, and there's another flavor that's the maize that is also very nice and very tasty. I'm adding in the granola to the ingredients in the blender. We can use 2 or 3 scoops as desired. I added an additional scoop, making it 4 scoops of granola. I'm adding just a little vanilla essence for a sweet and a very nice flavor. This really makes the smoothie really lovely. It's time to add the milk, and I'm gonna put in some almond milk. This is Alpro No Sugars almond milk, which is really perfect for all type of cereals and smoothies. So I would advise you use this particular almond milk because it's really, really beneficial and it's good for your health. Next, I'm adding my peanut butter in there. Just as you can see, this is the peanut butter I'm using. I'm gonna put about 2 scoops in here, and there we go. So now I have 2 scoops of the peanut butter in here. I'm adding some extra almond milk to it again. I realized that I needed more milk in there. So just pour more milk if you think you need it thick and creamy, or if you want it lighter and easy to sip. Now it's time to blend. Now keep blending until you get a very smooth consistency, or when you think it's just right for you. It's ready, and I'm pouring this into my cup. As you can see, it's really smooth, very smooth. The texture is just right and perfect for me. I'm putting in some strawberries on top. Yeah, this looks very delicious. I'm gonna put in my granola and then my raisins on there as well. There you go. Is this not looking just perfect?
I'm gonna put in some peanuts because I really do love peanuts and it goes really well with this smoothie. Now we have our high protein banana smoothie that is full of fiber, healthy fats, full of minerals, vitamins and antioxidants that will help support immunity, brain development, and as well as bone health.
I licked it.
I made my friend taste it. He loves it. In fact, he was asking for more. Now this is a close-up of the texture of the smoothie. As you can see, it's smooth and is very creamy, as well as very delicious. And as I said, it's very kid-friendly. You can give it to your kids, with the exception of the groundnuts if they are allergic to it. So you check, and instead of putting in peanut butter, you rather put in more bananas. This is very, very delicious, and trust me, your kids will always ask for more. They are always gonna ask you to do this high protein banana smoothie. Just as you can see, very creamy and very delicious. You should try this for the family. Thank you for watching. Do stay with me and do not forget to subscribe and like this video. There's many more recipes coming your way on this channel. Stay with me for more delicious healthy recipes. And if there's any other food you would love me to make or something you have in mind, drop it in the comments below and I'll love to try it out. Thank you.